In this tutorial, I'm going to quickly show you how easy it is to format a document, compile your work, and make it easy to use, whether it's a hard copy or an electronic copy. So the first step is to compile your docs. So that means you're going to put all of your assignments, basically just copy them, and give each thing a title per se, okay? Like I just did there. And so what I've done here is I've got 7 documents that I've put in. You'll be able to see. Kind of scroll down, so document 4, document 5. Okay, we've got document 6. And we have down here document 7. And all I did was use the lorem ipsum text generator by Googling it and creating it and downloading it. Okay. So I've added everything in. We're done there. Okay. Next thing, I'm just going to get rid of all this since we know what we're doing. Okay, I'm going to put in my title information. And so make it big so I can see it. Whatever the title is I want it to be. Measure, partially down the page. And then over here, I'll go to the document. I'm going to hit the command button and hit enter, return or enter to get me to the next page. I'm going to do that one more time. Okay. Now I'm going to go through and I'm going to add my page numbers by going to insert. And first thing I'm going to go is page numbers, and you can get creative, but I'm just going to click these right up here. And you'll see it's highlighted. So I'm going to make it larger and bold so I can easily see it. And you can put headers there too or whatever, but again, the goal is just so you can quickly find it. And I'm a little finicky about my page numbers when I'm looking at a document, so I think I'm just going to get rid of that one on the very first page. So you'll see it now starts with page 1 being the second page, which is fine. So now what I need to do is take my document and I need to give each thing a header. And so I just go up here, everything's in normal text, and I clicked header 1. Now I'm going to want my title to be centered, and you may want your stuff differently, and that's fine. I like it bold. You can even change the color. And then I'm going to go here again, back to header 1, and update heading 1 to match. Okay, so now I'm going to scroll down. And I'm going to go to document 2. And I'm going to hit command return, start at a new page, select normal text, apply heading 1. Okay, now document 3, I'm going to do the same thing. Okay, normal text, heading 1. And now I'm going to do the same thing with my charts. You may decide that document 3, like maybe you want to the following pages are IDEA disability charts. Whatever you want to do there. And you may decide to keep it on the same page. You may decide to go to the next page. Whatever you want to do is fine. It's your happy little resource guide, as Bob Ross would say, It's our happy little world when he was painting. So I'm going to go to heading 2 now because the charts are kind of a subheading of the chart assignment. So I'll apply heading 2, and I'm going to make it like that. And I wouldn't call it chart 1, I'd call it like autism, other health impairment, however you want to organize it. And I'm going to make it center because I like things centered. And now I'm going to just go update heading 2 to match. And I could have changed my formatting first and then done my update, but it doesn't matter. And to make things easy, I'm probably going to try to keep my charts on 1 page each. So I'll just do that, and we'll go to header 2. Cool. And for some reason, I decided to have some text below. Maybe I wanted to explain something to myself. It wouldn't surprise me. Let's go back down. And let's click document 4, and we're going to go heading 1 because it's its own doc. And we'll do the same thing with document 5. And we'll do header 1 again. And I'm going to go over here to document 6. Oh, whoops, I want to see that. There we go. Apply heading 1, yep, almost there. It's starting to look good. Okay. Okay. And we'll do that one more time. Now you could end up deciding that this is too small for you. And so like you could decide, oh, I think I'm gonna make it 13, or I wanna make it italic. And then you could decide that I'm gonna make all the normal text do that. And so all the normal text in your document would now do that. But yeah, I don't like that. I was just showing you how to do that. Cool. And there we go. So last thing I need to do is, after I get that on its own page, okay, is I'm going to scroll back up. And what's really cool is I now see the outline of my document. So let's go up to document 1. Let's go here. So that blank page I made for myself, I'm going to just go down to the bottom under Insert. I'm going to throw in a table of contents. And I think I'm going to tell myself that this is a table of contents. That way, I kind of like my stuff to look nice. I'll highlight that, and yeah, I'll give that a header too. And then I'm just going to revamp that. And voila. And so what's really super duper cool about this is I can literally click on any document and it takes me there. And I can now navigate between. And it just works perfectly. And I can then decide to export my document. If I decide to share it, share with others, email, I can download it as a PDF. I can also download it as a Word docs. And that's handy to be able to do. And I would save it as the same type of file, but I would, just change the extension. And so I'm just going to change that, and there you go. Hopefully it shows you just how easy it is to put everything together and create a paginated, organized document with contents.